Welcome back to my channel. In my last video, we studied arithmetic operators in Python. If you haven't watched that video yet, I have given the link in the description box. In this video, we are going to study assignment operators in Python. So whenever we want to assign some value to a variable, we use this assignment operator. In program, in our code, whenever we say x equal to 5, x is my variable, phi is my value or data which I want to store in my variable. There comes the assignment operator. Assignment operator does this job. It will store the data or value in the variable I have assigned. Equal to, then example is x equal to 5. It will store value 5 in x. It is same as x equal to 5. Plus equal to x plus equal to 5. It is same as x equal to x plus 5. It will add 5 to the value of x. Minus equal to x minus equal to 5. It will subtract 5 from the value of x and it will reassign that value to x. So we can use this also as multiplication equal to, division equal to, and other operators whichever I explained in arithmetic operators. We will take the example now and understand this. I'll open my notepad. X equal to, let's say 5, no, I'll give 7 here. X equal to 7. I'm printing this. Print x. Next, I'll do x plus, take one more variable y, which is equal to x plus equal to, sorry, I can do the same thing. X, okay, I'm reassigning x plus equal to 5. So this is same as x equal to x plus 5. I'm going to print this also. Now again I'll print x. So this time the value of x will change. Now I'll do x minus equal to 5. This is same as x equal to x minus 5. I'm just commenting out over here for your understanding. Again I'll print the value of x. It will again get back to 7 as I've added 5 and subtracted 5 from here. Now I'll save this file. You can do similar operations with multiplication, division and other operators which I explained in arithmetic operations. And there are few more operators which we will be studying in my upcoming videos. I'll save this as day6.py. Python file name .py. So as you can see, first x equal to 7. So when I printed this, it has to be 7. Then I added 5 to this x. So x has become 7 plus 5, 12. Again I subtracted 5 from the x. So again x has got back to 7. So this is all about assignment operators. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.